If you run a business website, then you already know that a website backup is a necessary lifeline that can save you a lot of money and stress. But most people don't know some fundamental facts about backups and can make some costly wrong choices. Now, over the last 10 years, we've protected over 1 million sites from hacks and data losses. So join us for the next 2 minutes for some must-know facts about protecting your sites with backups. In this video, we will discuss when should I backup my site. This is the third video in our series WordPress Backups 101. You can find the other videos by clicking on the link on the top right or in the description. Knowing how frequently your website needs a backup is just as important as taking a backup. Depending on the type of site you have, the possibility and frequency of something going wrong can vary. So knowing when and how often you need a backup helps you have a recent backup ready when you need it the most. While different backup plugins offer different frequency options to choose from, there are 3 main types that are the most important. We will briefly explore these 3 and then discuss the best options for you, whether you have a static site, a frequently updated site, or a WooCommerce site. So let us begin. Daily automatic backups. Daily automatic backups are a great option because, as the name suggests, they create backup files for your website automatically and on a daily basis. If you have a static or brochure website, you might be under the wrong impression that weekly or monthly backups are enough for you. But the truth is that even if you're not creating any new content, the plugins and themes of your website are getting updates regularly. These are more than enough to cause vulnerabilities that can crash your site. Hence, restoring a week-old or worse, a month-old backup may result in tremendous loss of data. So, daily backups are still the recommended options for static or brochure website. Now, if you have a frequently updated website, once a day can be an adequate backup frequency. But if your site has changes before a backup is created that day and one of those changes leads to a crash, you can still lose data. This happens because restoring your site from a day-old backup could lead to loss of the changes made before the crash. This is why for sites that get a lot of orders or traffic every day, the best choice would be our next option, real-time backups. Real-time backups allow you to retrieve data from even 5 minutes before a crash because these backups are created literally at 5-minute intervals throughout the day. Hence, for busy websites with lots of orders, like a WooCommerce site, these backups can literally save you from huge losses of data and revenue. Even high-velocity sites, like those dealing in content generation, can benefit greatly from real-time backups. On-demand backups. On-demand backups are great for taking an immediate backup before making major changes to your site, such as updation, migration, or UI changes. This ensures that you have a fresh backup to roll back to, just in case things don't go as planned. On-demand backups are a great option to have for every site. It's a great insurance policy that allows you to fully focus on making changes without any worries of unexpected repercussions. This brings us to the end of the video, but hold on a second. Here's a bonus tip for you. A very important factor to consider is what is the number of backups that you should have access to at any point of time. Ideally, you should have at least 30 days of backups so that you have the option to recover specific information from your past backups without recovering the whole site. However, space can be a constraint as more backups require more space. So pick a backup plugin that gives you unlimited storage without any extra or hidden charges. Okay, let's summarize our key takeaways quickly. We explored 3 types of backup frequencies and understood that when choosing a backup plugin, you need to make sure that it does 4 things. It has daily automatic backups since almost all types of sites need those. It has real-time backups for e-commerce and high-velocity sites. It has on-demand backups since they are necessary for all sites. And it has at least 30 days of backups and unlimited storage space without any extra or hidden charges. These facts will help you choose the right backup plugin for you and save huge losses of revenue and reputation. But most importantly, these will help save you from losing your site. I hope this video has been helpful. Trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'd strongly recommend checking out the other videos in this series to fully unlock the life-saving potential of backups for your websites. You can find the other videos by clicking on the link in description or on the top right corner. If you have a business website and care about high performance, hit that subscribe button for more helpful content like this. We put a lot of effort into these videos and your feedback when you smash that subscribe button really motivates us to do more for you. So I'll be signing off for now. This is Julian, your friendly neighborhood geek, and I will see you again next week.